Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the waypoint to the Lowrance application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the home button down below. Scroll down a bit and tap on this places button, then tap on add the waypoint down below and you should pin your location on this map, and here you can see it. Tap on the done button in the upper right corner of the screen, then you should add the name of this place. Here you can see the coordinates that you can edit by tapping on this pencil button. Here you can see the depth, and here you can add your notes if you want to, and tap on the save button down below to finalize the process of adding this waypoint to the places section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.